Hi, my name is Mark. I'd like to show you around our Nissan Cabstar 34.10 short wheelbase alley Dropside truck. This is a 2005 model. As you can see, you can purchase this truck for as little as £46 per week. As we take a look inside the front cab area, you can see it's in good condition for the year. And looking at the alley sides, very good condition. Right, so now I'm on to the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Nissan Cabstar Dropside truck, where I'm going to be demonstrating for you today the gears, the steering and the brakes. But firstly, I need to be getting the engine started up. There we go, as you can see, it starts up straight away. There's no dashboard warning lights on and there's no unusual noises coming from the engine. Part of the video appraisal on the road test is to get up to 60 miles an hour, so I can demonstrate to you the gears, the steering and the brakes. Now this is an absolutely fantastic workhorse. It's got a lovely 5-speed gearbox. We've got a CD player in the cab here. Now if I take my hands off the steering wheel, you can see it's driving in a straight line. If I give the steering wheel a shake, true Nissan Cabstar style, but very positive on the steering. And now on approach roundabout, I'm going to be testing out, demonstrating the brakes for you. Now braking, take my hands off the steering wheel, there we go, as you can see there's no juddering and no pulling. And that's the final part of the video appraisal on the road test of our Nissan Cabstar Dropside truck. Thank you very much for watching this video.